Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker, the detailed unboxing sneaker channel. And today, I have in my hand one of the most famous model from the Asics brand. Okay, so this is the Asics MetaSpeed Sky. Okay, so you can see that it is super stand out, super elegant, and I think this is one of my most favorite sneaker in my collection. So let's have a quick look at this sneaker, and the colorway I have in my hand here is the shocking orange and black colorway. A very interesting name. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this sneaker. So with this particular MetaSpeed Sky, this is from one of the two very famous model from the Asics, this and the MetaSpeed Edge. So the both shoe look very similar, but they are a little bit different. So with the MetaSpeed Edge, it more focusing on the quantity of pace of stride that a runner do. So whenever they want to increase their run speed, they will increase the quantity of the strides. But with this model, the MetaSpeed Sky is more focusing on the length of the stride, so that whenever the runner want to increase their speed, they will increase the length of their own stride. So you can have a quick look at the outsole and you can figure out how this works with this model. So basically this is one of the lightest sneaker that I've had. Because of what? Because both the outsole, midsole, and the upper are created of super thin material. This is a carbon based sneaker, so all of the material are ultra light. Even in the insole, I will take it out for you to see. Oh, this insole is unremovable. So you can see that all of the structure of this is super light, and you can see all of the air go through the sneaker. So I have had some sneaker with mesh layer also, but no sneaker with like full mesh structure like this. You can see that all of sneaker are made super thin, and it's like totally transparent into the eye. Oh my god. And I believe that this is one of the most competitive sneaker for professional runner. This one and maybe the Nike, like there are someone comparing with this sneaker, but I forgot the name. So if you know the name, please put it down in the description box. Okay, so that's it. And see you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.